In this video, I'll be sharing two vital commands, modify commands that help you to move an object. The first is offset and the second is mirror. Both help you to actually move an object from one location to other. Why offset helps you to move an object through a specified distance. Mirror help you to move an object in a reverse order also through a specified distance. I'll be showing you this practically in the next few minutes. Okay, let's go. Let me start with offset. And to explain offset, let me use a circle and a radius. Okay, so the circle specifies center. I specify center. Let's look at diameter. Let's say diameter 1,000. Okay, and let me also do a rectangle. Okay, and specify first corner, and this dimension. So let me make the length 1,000 and the width 1,000, so that the variable will be a square. Okay, so let's first of all offset the circle. So watch the command line. You say what's distance. So let's say we're offsetting this at 200 mm. That's two. Okay, we'll write 200. Enter. So you can offset inside or outside. So let's say we're setting outside. So each circle is 200 mm away from the other. Okay. Okay. So here, let's look at this. Let's okay. Let's say I put a small circle here from this point. Say 400 mm, or let's say 500. Let's say 400 mm. Okay, here, and then we can also offset. Let's say this time we're offsetting 100 mm. So I type 100, enter. Then I can offset this, let's say inward. I can also offset this, let's say inward. Okay. So now let's now look at mirror. Okay. Remember I told you mirror will offset an object in a reverse order. The easiest way to understand a mirror is to use, let me first use triangle, a triangle of say 1,000, sorry, what I should rather pick is line. So this is, okay, let me redo it, let me do it all of again, 1,000, okay, 1,000, okay, so I'll just close it out to become a triangle. Okay. Now, if I mirror this, watch me mirror. Sorry, I need to move this by the side. So the first thing I need to do is to select the object I needed to mirror. Then the next thing is to specify the first point. So I can say this point as the first point, and then I want to, okay, I want it to be straight. Okay, so you see that this move, the command move this object from here to here, but in a reversed order. In a reversed order. Okay, you didn't move it. If I use copy, for instance, you will see that if I move, if I copy part of this, you see, is to actually still face. This is copy, moving, copying this from here to here, but this is mirror, doing the same thing in a reversed order. Okay. So having done that, let's also use mirror here. Okay, if I select this and then selecting first point, I can choose the center of this and then I rotate and it give me this mirror to this point. I can also use mirror the whole thing. Mirror, sorry. I'll show you. I'll just show you what happened now. You ask you, do you want to erase the first object or not? You need to answer it for what you did to be permanent. I didn't do that last time. Okay, so let's go back and do this again. We select this. We select this. Say enter, and then I want to mirror it also from this point half to this point. Okay, so no. So you see, I've mirrored these. They all look alike because circle is the same thing in all direction. Okay, but it's mirror. It's important we understand how you use mirror. If you say a room and you have a chair and one chair is here and you want to a copy of the other chair to be this of course the two chairs should be facing each other. This one should not be facing the wall. So instead of using copy, the right thing to use is mirror. Okay, so that's very very important. If you have any question, please drop the question at the comment, and please don't fail to subscribe so that you will be able to follow us as we simplify AutoCAD, make it easy for every engineer and technician to know how to use. Thank you for being part of this training.